So let's have a look at how to set up the LED screen inside the Glenaire camper trailer. So on the passenger side inside the trailer, under this seat here is where the LED screen is. So we lift up that seat and inside here is where you will sit the monitor. So firstly, I'll just explain a bit of the wiring in here. We have our DVD player here and we have the yellow connection into the back of the DVD player. So that's plugged in already and we have the 12-volt power source plugged in. So if it doesn't work, just check that that is plugged in. So we need to lift and rotate to get the monitor out. So we lift it up a little bit, rotate it, and then we bring that up. And then once we've raised it up a little bit, and then we can drop down the seat, and now we have our monitor out. We have also not connected at this stage the power and the other end of that LED screen connection to the DVD. So you just need to pop them back into the back of the monitor and then that will just sit there for use. So in reverse, we lift it up slightly so that we can open up the door, undo those wires in the back of the monitor, rotate slightly, drop down, and then into the hole just below this lip here. And then that is closed.